Hey, what's up? I'm at SoFi. Got a crane here, bringing something. I'm gonna zoom in on it and see what it is. It's very windy right now. That's ETFE. I got a couple new things here for you to show and tell. Got the first square here of ETFE, and then there are 3 other little segments. I'll bring you to a different angle to show you those. You can see there's this little sliver here. And there are 2 others below the big one. There's a pretty, about the closest that I'm gonna get to seeing one of these panels. And then below there, yeah, this tree's in the way. Little sections. Not sure what that is. Another angle of this unusual angle for ETFE. Cool. You can see this other stairway, sorry. It also started its process of handrails going up. I know it looks funky right now, it's not finished, so don't freak out. It's so windy today. So I had heard a rumor, maybe this week the Oculus will go up, so we'll see. If it does, I will definitely, I won't catch it in the middle of it going up, but soon afterwards. I will get day shots as well as night shots, so don't you worry. The NFL Media Building. Pretty big gap there still. Wow, there's only a couple sections here of netting. That's good news. I think there are only about 3 major spots that still had missing ETFE. So that's really good news. Almost have a completed roof now. And that would make sense shortly thereafter that the Oculus would go up, so it would be protected. If I can look into the lower level, pretty hard. I don't know if I'm looking at a suite there. And just another look at that other stairway, which kind of still looks the same. So hopefully one of these two other panels is gonna get some covering going. You can see the ETFE there. Wow, somebody's happy. If you can. Railings. Yeah, more railings. Cool. See some edging here. The end of the panels. Very bright stadium light. More wall work there in the performance venue section. And here off of Prairie, still kind of a complete mess. Lanes blocked and road construction. There's another tail end of God, I think that's ETFE. Seats are looking good. I'm not quite filled in up there in that top level. Behind that column, one of the couple remaining safety nets for the ETFE. And then bring on the Oculus. Let's do this. I'm waiting. A bit of landscaping. Some cool shadows. With all those perforated panels, it's gonna look pretty sick at night. Like that preview that I showed you a couple updates before. That light will just leak through these panels. Exterior.